I'm Amrit, the CTO of PowerPercept.
And I'm Avinash, the CEO of PowerPercept, and we're building PowerPercept right here in Dallas. What inspired me was probably my experience as a competitive fencer. I've been fencing for nearly a decade, as a junior Olympian across the country, and as a varsity athlete when I was in college. And I've been doing the same strength and conditioning exercises over and over again for the entire period of time. And when I finally found myself injured, I was wondering, did I do something wrong? I've been doing the same thing over and over again. Why did this happen now? And I started talking to my teammates, talking to friends that are also athletes, and I realized that this was a systematic issue and one that people understood that they had to get injured while training. I spoke to thousands of athletes after that and realized that the answer was the same, whether you're a soccer athlete, fencing athlete, football athlete, and it was just this pervasive paradigm that if you train, you will get injured. And I knew that was a problem that we had to solve. The healthcare problem is especially relevant today. 70% of Americans are active individuals, and 3 out of 4 of them will end up injured in their lifetime. And that will be because of their bad form. And if you're an avid weightlifter or an athlete, those rates go up tremendously, nearly 10 times. And that is because of the stacking asymmetries of working out as you go in. Most people, they track their reps, they track their weight and total lifts, but they don't track their stability or balance. And that means that you're going in blind, using your intuition, and that's where we're seeing these rates. And it's a problem that needs to be solved.
The technology behind PowerPercept is really innovative, and we're really excited to bring it to everyone that we're going to sell to. So the core of it is a pressure mapped system. So there are sensors embedded in the insole, and the insole it's very flat, can fit directly into your shoe. And those sensors, they're pressure sensors, and they stream the data back to an MCU that we have on board, a custom PCB. And this data is streamed to your mobile device, where it's processed and analyzed. And that allows us to give you our main innovation, which is real-time feedback during the workout. And this allows you to have that immediate feedback that gives you the ability to prevent injuries before they happen, and see your form as you work out, and therefore prevent injuries that way. So after your workout, you are able to look at a session summary where we've analyzed the data using our AI models off device, and using that you are able to get a structured plan for your performance, improving your performance over time, and improving your recovery if you're a rehab patient. A huge part of our platform is not just giving you the raw data of your pressure of your foot, the force distribution across your feet, but also giving you interpretable AI-powered results for and quantitative insights about your balance and your form. So not only do you get a raw visualization and good ability to visualize your form, but you also get insights about whether you should affect your form in certain ways. You should lean to the right more, lean to the left more as you do a certain exercise, or if you can increase the load, or take on more weight, or do more of an exercise, or whether you should scale back.
I would say what drives us the most is whenever we interact with the people that we're about to affect. When athletes come up to us and then share their pain points, they're like, split my disc 3 times trying to deadlift. I don't know why, and you have finally given me a reason to try to understand this. When I talk to a physical therapist and they say that they have their patients come back over and over again because they simply don't understand what they're doing wrong, and they find themselves more and more injury prone as things go wrong. And that reaffirms the idea that we're working on a problem that's worth solving, and a problem that no one else has solved, because these people have this same pain point over and over again, one that I share as well. So that's what keeps me motivated during the ups and downs of building a startup.
We found Health Wildcatters through another pitch competition, and they introduced us to Hubert and the team at Health Wildcatters. And after meeting them and getting on a call with them, we were so excited to apply and be part of this process. And it was just an overwhelmingly positive experience, and we were really excited because of that. There's this view that the startup ecosystem, founder community is very toxic, or very competitive. But throughout our experience, throughout pitch competitions, everything we've been through, and at Health Wildcatters, the main thing we've gotten from all of these is our community of friends. Every time we go to a pitch competition and meet a new set of founders, we just get new friends, new connections, and we help each other out, right? We we share ideas and we share insights. People who have had more experience have helped us in invaluable ways. And even though they're just as well on their journey and they're learning things just as much as we are, we're able to help each other out and support each other. And that's the biggest thing we've gained from Health Wildcatters, is that network and that community.
The fundamental change we're going to do is reinterpret the way people approach training. We have people already track the amount of miles they run, the amount of weight they lift, and the amount of reps they do whenever they work out. But now they can quantify their form and improve it over time. When you can see a percentile number like 30% instability, 5% percentile match for form, you can look at that and understand if you're getting better over time. And I know that will reduce injury rates and give people the confidence to continue working out in the gym to get stronger. And for people that are scared to start exercising because they're injury prone, the confidence and the insight necessary to safely do so.